conditions up to 0.5 to 0.7 inches expected. Where? Portions of the southeastern Adirondacks. When? Until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses will likely become slick and hazardous. Very slippery sidewalks, roads, and bridges are possible.
Why am I Denver 400 acting up?
Hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Additional details: a period of freezing rain is expected overnight into tomorrow morning. The freezing rain will gradually change to rain tomorrow morning as temperatures rise above freezing. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Prepare for possible power outages.
I gotta fix this. Maybe I might get a double header, I don't know. Maybe not.